Put your feet up. Robot vacuums are here to take the hard work out of cleaning day. Here's 4 reasons why we love these clever home helpers. Number 1. The convenience. Just switch it on and let the robot vac do the rest. Want to come home to sparkling floors? With a robot vac, you can clean your home from your phone. Use Wi-Fi to schedule a time, select a room, or all of them. And let your robot vac get to work while you're at the office. How good is that? 2. The smart tech. Infrared lasers map your room for a clear cleaning path. Your clever cleaner will avoid obstacles and detect dust. Some models need to be emptied when they're done, but others will take care of that too. They just whiz back to a loading dock to recharge and drop off debris in a bin attachment. 3. The versatility. A robot vac that mops too? Believe it. Just look for a unit with a water tank and cross 2 jobs off the chore chart. 4. The fur-free efficiency. Furry friend got you working overtime on floor cleaning? Pet hair is a robot vac specialty. Schedule a daily clean and say hello to shiny surfaces. Genius! Find out more about robot vacuums in-store or online.